You're watching The Dog Show.
Right away. This is why you're the worst dog in the house. I'm the best girl ever. What?
Oh no, they're fighting again!
The climax.
Why are we watching this again?
Boris really likes dogs for some reason. I'm gonna go get a snack. I'll be right back. My favorite snack's gotta be in here somewhere. I'll go in deeper to see if I can find it.
Gotta go to the bathroom, be right back. Wait, the fridge door's open. I'll shut it real quick.
Hey!
There we are.
Oh, guys, you accidentally closed me in. The fridge is freezing in here. Oh, they're gonna notice that I'm not out there at some point and come and save me.
2 hours later.
Ooh, there's gotta be a vent or some way for me to get out of here. Hey, I think there's a vent. Well, I think I can get through these vents. What? I'm back in the fridge?
Well, that's where you were.
Boris, something weird happened.
That's great, Bendy, but we gotta go. Come on.
Go where?
All right, Bendy, you know where we're going.
Where?
The store, you know that.
The store? Which store?
You know what store we're talking about. The store we always go to.
The dollar store.
Yeah.
Why do you have a revolver?
Well, we might need it, you know.
You might need it for what exactly?
Okay, I can't say it out in public because, you know, they'll find us.
Who will find us?
Never mind. Why are you acting
Is it
like...
loaded?
Why? Yes.
What?
Why would I bring an unloaded gun? Why are you acting so dumb? Are you feeling okay? Did your brain freeze while you were in that fridge?
Why am I acting dumb?
Because you don't know what we're doing. We do this like every single day.
Do what?
Never mind.
Well, we don't take guns. Where's your wallet?
I'm about to laugh at. You know why I'm not bringing my wallet anyway.
Why do you have that mask on?
Well, let's just say it's because of quarantine. Yeah, that'll be Morse code for what it's really for.
Okay.
Yep. All right. We're pulling up, it seems. Okay, we're here.
I still don't know what we're doing here.
Well, whatever. Just grab the revolver and let's go.
Not taking it.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah,
what are
let's
you
go.
doing? You don't have a wallet.
So, you don't need a wallet for what we're doing. And where's the revolver? I told you to bring it.
I didn't bring it in. We don't need a revolver.
Well, whatever. Let's go.
Boris, what are you doing?
Running after him. Now, where are the Doritos? Wait a second. They're stealing. Come on, Bendy, let's go.
Boris, you have to pay for those.
What do you not get? We're robbing this place. Ah! Ugh! Stop right there, Boris. What gave it away that I'm Boris? You're a dog. Bendy, get the revolver. Get the revolver.
I'm not getting the revolver. I'm staying out of this, Mario.
Come on, sir. You're going to go to jail for a long time for all that thieving you've been doing. You too, Bendy. Go.
I don't understand. What's up with Mario and Luigi? And Boris, what's up with you?
You're not the Bendy that I've been thinking that you were, are you?
Normally would say yes, but I must say no.
Alright, so now here comes the next question. Where did you come from?
I cannot tell you, or I will have to kill you.
What? Well, I don't think you'll be doing any killing since you got us thrown in prison. But regardless, I think I have to help you because there's no, like, we have to get out of here regardless, right?
Right, regardless of where I'm from.
Yeah, so we'll get out of here.
So bust us out.
I don't know how to do that. I've never actually been arrested before.
You.
We just gotta sit here and wait until something happens, okay?
Fine.
Go.
Yo, inmates. You got a free phone call.
Okay, let's go, I guess. Go.
Each get one phone call.
Each of us get one phone call. Okay, that makes more sense.
Can I go first?
Sure, I guess. Go on ahead.
I'm calling Mario.
Hello?
Mario, you've got to help me. I got caught in the fridge and stuck, and then I fell. I ended up in here. You gotta drop your charges and let me out of here because I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah, no, I am not going to do that. So,
What?
yeah, bye. Go. Give me that phone, idiot. Who should I call? I'm gonna see if I can call someone to be a lawyer. Hello? Hi, yes, I am a person who has been thrown into prison, and I was wondering if I could get a lawyer for you to help me win the case of this case. What happened? You got what? I got quote caught stealing candy. Not candy, chips. What do you want me to do about it? They were right to arrest you. No, look, listen, I hear that your place is a very shady business and that you guys will lie to get your way no matter what it is. So, if you want to keep that down low, I suggest attempting to defend me. Fine, I'll attempt to defend you. You've also got to defend this guy because, I don't know, it's just a big old thing. I need you to help me. Fine, I'll defend you. Great. Alright. Perfect. Okay, this is for the trial of Boris and Bendy, who have been caught stealing a bag of chips from a local Dollar General in the middle of quarantine, and also had a revolver in the car, so that's probably not good. So now, how do you plead? The exact opposite of guilty.
Yeah, what do you say?
Hey, we're gonna win this, right? Don't worry, we got this in the bag.
I hope so.
Alright, let it commence. And it is over, and me and the jury have made our final decision. The decision is... Come on. Guilty.
Damn it! How am I gonna get home now?
Psh, do you really think I'm gonna let a court of law decide what I do? I roll whatever I do. So, over here, I think we can dig it out with some spoons. So, you got here using a fridge and a vent?
That's right, I just appeared here.
Well, I have a theory that if you crawl back through that little vent of yours, maybe you'll go back home.
Oh, no. Wait, what do you get out of this?
I get my regular Bendy and crime partner back.
Oh, I see. Let me try.
Get that sucker out of here. Good riddance.
Where am I? Oh, I think I'm back.
Go.
Wow, for some reason the fridge opened this time. Huh? It's dark out?
Is it gonna be okay? I don't know. I'm scared. Guys, I think he's waking up.
Oh, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? My head hurts so much.
Well, Boris can explain that for you. Fine, yeah, I'll explain. how did this happen? He got stuck in the fridge.
Yeah, man, that explains why we haven't seen him for like 2 hours.
I'm pretty sure there's ice in his head.
Mario, how are we gonna help him?
Well, I mean, that took care of the ice on top of his head. What are you gonna do about the ice that's literally inside him? You can always just put him in a cup of really hot water. Or a container or something. I don't know anything, really. Okay.
That'll work.
Oh, so that's why my brain is destroyed.